Welcome back, guys. So now we're on to the next model in your packet again. This is called the base of the head model. And here we're going to show you the layers of the meninges as if they were actually intact in a human being. So here we have the cranium. All right, I think you guys might recognize these sutures, right? Frontal or coronal suture, sagittal suture. So this is a frontal bone. These are the two parietal bones. So if we take a look, remember the folding of the meninges. So separating the two cerebri, the two halves of the cerebral hemisphere, we call this the full cerebri, Roman numeral number 1. And if we were to take off this and look inside, there you can start to see the base of the brain. We're looking for number 2, the full cerebelli. So these separate the two cerebellum hemispheres. So this is one cerebellum hemisphere, this is the second cerebellum hemisphere. And if I hold this just right, looking down deep, there you can see the spinal cord. So this is a full cerebelli, C-E-R-E-B-E-L-L-I, separating the two cerebellum hemispheres. Whereas a full cerebri separates the two cerebral hemispheres, right cerebral hemisphere, left cerebral hemisphere. Then we look for the tentorum cerebelli, Roman numeral number 3 here. So what this does is this separates the cerebral hemispheres, which would be up here, from the cerebellum hemispheres, which are located down here. And then inside the full cerebri, note this number B here, showing you, and I'm trying to angle it so you can see. Can you guys see that big blue line right there? That's called the superior sagittal sinus. So inside the full cerebri is the superior sagittal sinus, which when you guys talk about the drainage of the cerebral spinal fluid, that's where the little arachnoid villi project into and drain the cerebral spinal fluid from the brain into the venous drainage of the brain so that it can be returned to the cardiovascular circulation. So full cerebri, tentorum cerebelli, full cerebelli, and superior sagittal sinus. That blue line right there. Hope that helps.